Hello traders. In this video podcast, I'd like to discuss the two different trading solutions that we offer here at Forex Clone. We have first our Forex signals, which are a manual trading solution where the trader places his or her own Forex trades. And we have our mirror copy trading solution, which is fully automated, more of a set and forget solution, where the trader links their MetaTrader 4 account with our master account, and the trades are done for you. So I'd like to just dive deep into both of these solutions and go over some frequently asked questions and just give you guys an explanation as to what to expect when working with us. So first off is our Forex signals. These would be ideal for the trader who wants to trade manually. We send via email and push notification in real time Forex signals with stop loss, take profit, and price. So the trader will receive a real-time trade signal and then has the ability to place that trade live with whichever broker they're using in a manual environment. What this means is when you place that trade, you are responsible for managing and watching that trade from start to finish. For example, if a trade were to reverse and we send additional information about that trade, such as take your profit now or increase your take profit rate or a trailing take profit, all of these things or all of these signal notifications that we send would have to be manually entered by the trader. So if you're looking to manually trade Forex on your own, this would be an ideal solution for you. A common question that we get is how much of a balance, how much money do I need in order to work with your Forex signals? Currently, our current price is $50 a month for our Forex signal subscription, and that price will go up, but that is our current offering as it stands now. So if you have a $50 or $100 Forex balance, for example, it would not make sense for you to trade using our Forex signals if you don't have a decent size balance with your account. Think of it like this: if you have a balance that is going to make, let's say on average, 10 to 20% per month, or that is what potentially could be made, you would need enough in your account for that to make sense. So if you had a $500 account and you made 20%, you would see a profit, or you could see a profit. If you made 5% or 10% on a $500 balance, you would basically break even covering your $50 Forex trade or our Forex subscription. So just make sure that when you sign up, you have enough of a Forex balance in order to offset that cost of $50. Now, most traders out there, this is not going to be a concern. If you're trading Forex, you shouldn't have a $100 balance in your account, but from time to time we do get traders that ask this, so that's why I wanted to address it. Our trade signals are really sent during London session and beginning of the US session. We don't trade really the Asian session. So another point to keep in mind is when you're working with us, you should make sure that you are available during the London session or the open of the London session all the way up until the open and mid US session. So if you're in the United States, that means if you're not going to trade London session and you're going to trade the US session, then you would most likely be getting up early to trade the US session. And if you're trading London, then in the United States, you would need to be up, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning to start those trades. And again, I want to stress that this is a manual way of trading. You are responsible for managing your trade, opening the trade, closing the trade, and so forth. So if you want to trade manually, and this is something that you might be getting signals from other companies, you might be trading on your own manually, where you have your own trading style, this would be a perfect solution for the trader who wants to place their own trades or who has an account balance that makes sense. Maybe not a very high account balance for copy trading, but just enough where signals would make sense. And I'll go into the account balances and other points in our copy trading in just a moment here. So anyway, that is the first offering that we have, Forex signals delivered in real time during the London and US session via push notification and email in real time, and the trader trades manually. Our second solution is our mirror copy trading solution, and this is by far our most popular. More traders are using this solution than our signal service. I'd like to start and say that both of our solutions trade the same trades. Now, copy traders will receive more signals, but duplicated signals are sent to our signal subscribers. And the reason this is, with our automated trading, we have staff, analysts, traders that are manually watching these trades in real time. So we're able to take more trades and manage them more so than we would with a Forex signal that we send. Usually with a Forex signal, we want to send you a stop loss and a take profit, and for the most part, we're going to reach those levels automatically without too much intervention. With trades where it's going to need some babysitting, so to speak, or we're going to need to watch what's happening in real time, we're able to take more of those types of trades, which is why a copy trader will receive more trades than a signal subscriber. A signal subscriber will usually receive between 1 and 5 trade signals per day, whereas a copy trader could receive 3 to 10 trades per day, really just based on what's going on in the market. Now, the way that our copy trading works is our master signal, our server, will send a trade to the receiver's computer that's running MetaTrader 4. So with this solution, you would need to keep your computer on at all times. Now, we don't recommend this. We actually recommend using a VPS or a cloud hosting service where your computer is really in the cloud. It's on at all times. We know that the connection is secure. We know that our signal is going to be able to send and communicate to that computer that's running your broker or running your account. So we recommend that all traders use a VPS or a cloud-based service. Number one, so you don't have to keep your computer on at all times, but that there is no connection problem. The worst thing that can happen is if you're running MetaTrader on your computer and we're trying to send you trade signals to open or specifically close a trade, and that connection is broken, or there's some sort of problem with the connection with our master signal sending to your computer. This is called a zombie trade, and we would not be able to either open or, more importantly, close that trade if that connection was in any way broken. So it's very important that there's never a connection problem, which is why we recommend having a VPS service or a cloud-based service where we are managing that connection. Now, when a new trader gets signed up with us, we will need your MetaTrader account brokerage name. We would need the exact server name that your broker uses, as well as your MetaTrader 4 username and password. Now, this is different than your account password at your broker. That's where you handle your own finances with your broker, and we do not need any of those details. We just need the connection side of it so that our computer can connect to your computer's MetaTrader 4, send those signals to and from that computer so that our computers speak to one another and can communicate those signals back and forth. Let me talk about balance. We aim for 10 to 20% per month. You've probably seen in our previous videos or other videos out there that we don't advocate using more than 1 to 2% per trade. Our trading uses 1 to 2% for each trade based on the stop loss projection, and really no more than 10 to 20% at any given time as a combination of all of the outstanding trades that are going on. And this is just proper risk and money management. if a trader gets connected with us, it's very important that that trader does not place manual trades on their own. If you want to make manual trades, you should open either a second account with your broker or turn off our service when making manual trades. If you place trades while our trades are going on, this can affect margin and this can affect other points that could affect your trading. So it's very important that if you're going to have our service on, that you allow it to run. And if you want to place a manual trade, you do not have our service on, and you have complete flexibility when you sign up with us. You're able to turn on and off our trading solution with a click of a button. Another common question that we get is how much are we going to be trading? By default, your account will trade proportionately to our trading balance. So when we trade 1 to 2% per trade, no matter what your account size is, a couple thousand or a couple 100,000, it's going to trade proportionately based on what our signal is sending. So you don't have to do anything here. It's traded automatically with the right lot size. Now, traders do have the option to increase or decrease and even set a specific lot amount if you want. So sometimes traders start off where they want to have a set lot price. So every single trade trades the exact same amount, and you certainly could do that. You also have the ability to increase or decrease that percentage. So some traders might say, I want to only trade a quarter or half of the trades that you are, and then vice versa. You could trade 2 times what our risk is, even though we highly recommend against doing that. So the trader has complete flexibility when working with us as far as how much they're risking, how much the lot size is, although we do recommend just keeping the setting the same, because your account will trade proportionately to our balance. As always, using MetaTrader 4 or your broker, you have the ability to check your account stats in real time at all times. So you can just log into your phone or your tablet or go on MetaTrader, and you can see exactly which trades are happening in real time. You can see all the trades that are being taken. You can see what's going on and what's happening, so that everything is just done automatically, so that you don't have to manage any of the trades that are going on. I want to talk about balance. I mentioned just some examples with the signals. We charge currently $200 per month for our service. We charge an additional $25 per month for our VPS cloud solution, which allows, as I said before, your computer, or to get a computer that runs at all times so that our signal can communicate with yours. But you want to make sure that your account balance is high enough to support what our fee is going to be. If you start with a $1,000 balance, let's say, a $1,000 balance, we would need to make 20% for your account to break even. So many traders will start off with a smaller account balance to test the waters also, so to speak, and then increase that balance. That's not to say that you couldn't trade with $1,000, and we have many traders that do, and we still turn a profit for them. But to see real substantial gains, it's highly recommended that you start with more than $1,000 in using our service. The average person will deposit between $5,000 and $10,000 to start with. Some traders will deposit $1,000 to $2,500 just to kind of watch our trades and see how it goes. And then we have other traders that just build monthly as more of a long-term strategy. So again, just make sure that when you sign up with us, whatever account balance that you decide to start with, just know that, again, using the $1,000 example, if you have a $1,000 account balance and we make 20% for the month, that's going to be eaten up by that $200 fee. So just know that when you're trading. As always, we'd like to hear your comments. If you have any questions about either of our services or want to get started, you can go to our website and sign up, or you can send us an email, and we're happy to reply to you promptly with any questions or concerns that you guys have. I would say the final point here is Signal subscribers. When you sign up, this is completely a real-time solution, so you're able to get set up. We send a welcome email within just a few seconds to get you started. Copy trading, it usually takes about a half a day to a day for our text to get you set up. As always, thanks again, traders. We look forward to working with you.